Alright guys, let me show you guys a newly strategy you can use to maximize your income in UTrading AI DCA Pro strategy. And this particular strategy right now made me 241 USD, which is okay. This video based on educational content. I'm going to show you step-by-step strategy on how you can use this particular strategy on your UTrading AIDCA to trade for you on your Binance account or your Bybit account exchange. So before we go into the video, try to subscribe, like, and share this video to all your community to start using this particular strategy to trade daily on your Binance account or your on your UTrading and on your Bybit account. So if you want to trade any coin, just come to market area right now to pick a coin you want to trade. Then let's say I want to pick either Solana. So I want to pick Solana, and the first thing I need to do is and I'll use this particular robot, which is AI DCA Pro. All right, then I would now pick Solana first, confirm. But let me go and check Solana trend right now. Is it going down or is it going up before I can decide to pick or sell? Let me just go and check it on my trading view right now, guys. All right, this is my trading view. I'll just come to Solana right now. Let me check my trend. Solana right now is going up on a 4 hours time frame. Right now, Solana, it has already come to this resistance level here, resistant level around this zone. All right, around this zone. So all right, so I can decide to sell because the coin has already rise right now. I can decide to sell right now. I can even say I want to sell at 183.7. Start selling from here. All right, so because it has already pumped, then I can, or around this zone. All right, let me, or around this another around this zone as well on 4 hour time frame, but it may not go to get, let me just use 1 hour time frame because short time trade within a day. So I can decide to start sell around 183.7 from this area. So let me just go back to my UTrading right now to pick a short trade. Right now I'll just come to my trading view, UTrading. I will not come to shorts, but this one is AIDCA, but the one I want to use manual. I will just use this one. Then I can use 20x leverage like this, or 10x. Don't use more than 20 to 10. It's okay for your account. Then I want to go for this, change it to price, trigger price. I'll just pick trigger price right now. I will now click on, then I will now, let's see, I want to go for around 183, from 183.7. that is the area I want to start shorting. You can see I've already put the price there. I'll now click on OK. Then the initial, then I'll come to, I can say the max order is 3. All right, I will now try to customize the max, this one to 1 only. Then the price gap, I can, because the market can just pump a little bit, I can just see this one is about let's say 10%, and this one 15%. So like this, I'm okay. Why this trading here is about 0.015, which is okay. So I'm done with this. So here I will now put my initial position. Let's say I want to use $50 to trade. I want to use $50 to trade. I will not do my calculation right now. So I want to use 50. Let's say I want I want to use $20 per trade. Then all the money I want is just $60. So I will now calculate 20 times, 20 times 20 on my calculation, right? So I'll just come to 20 times 20x. It will give me $400. All right. So, but I want to buy Solana at what price? Let me show you. I want to. So I want to sell Solana at, I want to sell, trigger is 183.7. So I will now divide it by my 400 I got. Let me just go to my calculator and show you. 183.7 divided by 400. All right, second, so it divided by 183 point, sorry, 183.7. all right, that means I want to buy about 2 pieces of Solana. 2.1. Let me just go and put it right now. That is what I'm going to put in that particular initial position. I will now try to put it here 2 point what, 2.1. all right, I'll try to put 2.17. all right, okay, is it 2.17? So let me just put it that way. We got around 402 like this. So I'll just click on launch. So you can use it to trigger, and depend on you guys. So then the take profit, you can put one single, you can go for take profits. all right, your take profit can be 1%. all right, you can put it as 1% or 1.5%. okay, so you just leave it to trigger. Then the indicator time, you can just use medium time, short time, within a day, take profits within a day. This one indicator, then you put it that way. Then just leave the robot to trade. Don't forget to add this one as your 400 to be here. So your 400 to be here, you can see I've already got the 400. 2.2. so I'm done with this. Okay, I'll now launch. all right, I'm using $20 per trade. So I'll just leave the bot to so can you see, simple. The same thing with either you want to go for spot trading, so you can just go to market. Then if I want to buy BTC, I can just use this one as well, AI DCA Pro, what at a trigger price. Let's see, I want to go for BTC. So I want BTC to, I'll just come to this area to set my something for spot BTCs. I can say I'll just come to price here. all right, price. So BTC is now 116,540. I can say I want to buy BTC at 116,450. all right, 116,450. then the nice stop is just 1. all right, I can, long time, within a day, short time, size multiple, I can use 2.4. price gap. all right, okay, size multiple. Okay, let me just my last, I want to use it, I want to buy like $200 with Bitcoin as an example. all right, then I will just try to use three order. I want to use this here. So size multiple is just 1. So my price gap is lifetime, like let's say 2%, 2.5, then 3% deep. So for Bitcoin, Bitcoin normally, so then my initial position is around let me just use okay, let's say I want to let me just use like $200 for my first in buy amount. So I'll just try to put it that way. It's the same thing. My trigger price is 116,450. $200, simple. So I've already set all the limits. So This strategy can help you to maximize your strategy in UTrading. You can try to use it right now. You set a limit for the bot to trigger. Then when you trigger, then the bot will start trading for you automated without you doing anything. Even this one, I'll start running right now. Okay, I didn't set it again. No problem. So it's that simple. Then your trading will start working for you guys. So guys, try to go and try right now and start maximizing your income in UTrading.